Is Kabir joining us?
हाँ
Is Kabir joining?
I don't know, but
कबीर सर यहीं पे थे अभी.
It's on, it's on. Okay, just use the phone. Phone, we use the phone.
guys after this interview
You're getting this one?
दो बाकी है, एक इधर करना और एक शायद से उसके बाद होटल में करेंगे. और उनको माइक दे दो please.
Oh, no, this mic is. You use the phone.
I'll pass it on to you. I'll pass the mic.
I'm using the phone as well.
Hi.
Hi. Sorry, I know you have to rush. We'll do it quickly.
We don't have to rush. They have to rush us.
Guys, we have quick.
Yeah.
Quick, we have. So, are we ready? Okay.
Big 106.2 per. This is Sid, and it's our proud privilege to have, of course, the minds, the visionaries behind Chandu Champion, Karthik Aryan and Kabir Khan, sir. Thank you very much for speaking to us, and what an amazing honor it is to have you in Dubai. Karthik, कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. ऐसा लग रहा है अपने घर आ गया हूँ बिकॉज यहाँ पर इतना प्यार मिल रहा है और हमेशा प्यार मिलता है. आई थिंक लुकिंग एट द एक्साइटमेंट ऑफ एवरीवन अराउंड द फिल्म एंड अराउंड अस, आई एम रियली enjoying this, and yeah, it really feels nice to be here.
You know what? When you do the show, everybody is very excited. All the audience is just waiting to watch Chandu Champion because the trailers look so promising. इसमें वो सब कुछ है जो एक बॉलीवुड फिल्म में हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं. There's ऐसी कोई भी कसर नहीं छोड़ी सर आपने. मतलब what do we expect? I mean, it's a sports movie, but then पोस्टर में उसके हाथ में बंदूक है. What do we expect?
War as well.
Yes. No, actually, I have a mic. So, oh, you want me to hold that? Okay. So honestly, of course, sports is a very essential element of the film, but there is so much more to this character than just the sports. It's his journey, which is essentially what the film is about, and the journey takes him from his village, from his childhood, to his youth in the army, which takes him into war, and of course, there's sports in the backdrop. But in between that, there are lots of other trials and tribulations that he goes through in life. So as you said, his life had it all. It's truly a life made for cinema. It's a life that was destined to be on the big screen.
Waiting to be told.
Absolutely.
Kabir, I want to ask you, when you make a film, the actor's fortune changes. Now, how do you choose an actor? And, because we've seen that happening so many times. So, how do you choose your actor? How did you choose zero in on Karthik?
People, we sometimes also tend to over intellectualize and give sort of very analytical answers to this. It's always gut instinct. And with Karthik also, it was gut instinct, which came from this long conversation that we had. And at the end of that conversation, which was supposed to be half an hour, which became 2.5 hours, I just had a gut instinct that it's Karthik, and that's where the journey started.
Karthik, एक बॉम्बे का connection बनता है. I've known you since my Zoom days. You've started from so small this thing, and now that you are doing such big films, and do you see that old Karthik, and what do you want to tell him today when you're doing a film like this?
टेंशन मत ले, मेहनत करते रहे, काम हो जाएगा. हीरो बन जाएगा आई थिंक. बट उस टाइम तेरा आई थिंक वो उसमें कुछ मेहनत करनी नहीं पड़ती है. जैसा हूँ वैसा हूँ, उसमें कुछ ना कोई मिलावट होनी चाहिए. एंड आई थिंक यू शुड नेवर चेंज. आई थिंक चेंज करना किस लिए है? आई थिंक सिचुएशंस आपकी चेंज हो सकती हैं, लेकिन आप वैसे ही रहते हो. मुझे एक्चुअली वो लगता है. एंड सो दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव बिन द सेम सिंस माई कॉलेज और माई चाइल्डहुड, और एंड अभी भी और आगे भी ऐसे ही रहने वाला हूँ. उसमें कोई ऐसे कुछ हार्डवर्क नहीं कर रहा हूँ या मेहनत नहीं कर रहा हूँ. इट्स नेचुरल.
Actually, it's connected to the film ki tagline is the man who refuses to surrender. And actually, it's amazing because Karthik Aryan quite literally is the man who refused to surrender. So, for all the people who are watching this right now, I mean, what does it take to have this kind of, himmat? How does it? What did it take to not surrender?
I think just self-belief. You have to have self-belief, and you have to get rid of the self-doubt because of rejections. That's what I used to do when मैं audition में rejection होते रहते थे. Not that मैं उतना भी overconfidence हो जाए, लेकिन एक आपको एक idea रहता है कि कब आप सही हो, कब नहीं हो. So you have to have that balance in life. But yeah, you need to do more and more hard work and have to have that self belief that हाँ मेरा कुछ हो जाएगा. And yeah, that's what worked for me.
Thank you very much
Thank you.
for speaking to us.